bottle gourd potato rice casserole or garlic bottle gourd potato rice ball. One of the tastiest of the rice ball recipes and one of the most unique of the rice casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the potato casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the bottle gourd recipes and one of the most different of the bottle gourd rice recipes and one of the most unique of the gourd rice recipes and one of the most delicious of the potato casserole recipes. We're going to make garlic bottle gourd potato rice casserole. 200 grams of bottle gourd peeled and cut into pieces. 2 tomatoes cut into pieces. Around 2 to 3 sprigs of cilantro leaves. Grams of potato peeled and cut into pieces. Heat the pan and put in 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Marinade. Saute. Garlic sauce mix. Put in the garlic leaves. Sauce the garlic leaves. Now put in the ginger. Put in salt to taste, salt, salt thoroughly, keep on salting. Thoroughly salt and mix. Put in a spoon of coriander powder. Put in a quarter spoon of turmeric powder. And half a spoon of chili powder. Salt thoroughly and mix. Put in salt to taste. Mix. Put in the potato pieces. Salt thoroughly. Put in celery leaves. Put in the bottle gourd piece. Salt. Salt the bottle gourd pieces and the potatoes together with the rest of the mixture. Put in the tomato piece. Stir thoroughly. Also the pan. Until the tomato becomes soft. Pour in 2 cups of water. Mix. and let the mixture boil. Now put in cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix and let this mixture cook for 20 minutes in the casserole. Garlic, bottle gourd, potato, rice casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final garlic, bottle gourd, potato, rice casserole, or garlic, potato, bottle gourd, rice bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the bottle gourd rice recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the potato rice recipes and one of the most unique of the potato casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the bottle gourd recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.